Minisita okushaba Abany'eishengyero okureba ngu amahanga aga East Africa gakoresa esente zimwe abirajwekire mukuru w'empanura z'ishengyero aha mukoro ogw'abamakorero omu Uganda ogugenderire kutungura eby'obushubuzi omu mahanga ga East Africa aha Parliament.
Okugita amahanga ga East Africa n'ekintu kirungi omu policies zimwe ezi government ekozire habwokuba kiratuleetera akatale ko kuguza ebintu byaitu ahi turi kugambira akatale kaga mahanga mushanju ga East Africa abantu abalimu barayika miliyoni 306 mu 2050 baraza kuba babire miliyoni 886 kandi 2075 turaza kuba tulingana biliyoni y'abantu omu East Africa akona akatale kahango. So turi kwandi tugire mu East Africa okurondamo butale, tugire mu East Africa okurondamo security y'abantu beitu, twaza mu East Africa okureba ngu abantu beitu batunguka.
Abany'eishengyero abashyikira aha mukoro ogu bashabira Abany'eishengyero aba East Africa okufayo munonga kureba ngu baganira aha butikirizana oburi omu mahanga gamwe aga East Africa.
The other issue we always grappled with was the issue of COMESA. I remember we started in doing what we call derogation. Derogation, where we said we must protect our steel industry.
This morning, I was in Kenya, in Busia. The purpose was because I wanted some goods in Busia, Uganda, and I had to cross to Muchemi's hardware to buy. This makes me a true son for the East African region. I was born on the Busia border. My father had 2 mothers. One stepmother was from a place called Funyula in Kenya. I am blessed that sometimes I eat breakfast in Kenya and lunch in Uganda.
I've been conducting them in Mombasa port, Dar es Salaam port. We have been doing oversight in borders, Namanga, Busia, I don't know. But what we are hearing here is that we still have a long way to go.
Minisita Bahati aina masiko mingi ngu amahanga ga East Africa gakoresa esente zimwe nikija kutungura eby'obushubuzi omu mahanga gagona. Gashakwa Jime Muhumuza.